Hey everyone, thanks for joining today. My name's Chris White. I'm an investment analyst with 5i Research, and today we're going to be going over the research reports published by 5i Research. Members can access our research reports by heading to Members section and then next heading to Reports. Our database of reports includes hundreds of reports that we've written over the years, and members find lots of value by keeping up to date on research reports for our coverage list. At 5i Research, we cover over 60 Canadian companies, mostly within the small to mid-cap space, and largely we're looking at underfollowed names. Once a month, we aim to publish several report updates on our coverage list, and we look at adding a new company to our coverage list at least once a month. The structure of the reports are always the same. We first provide some brief highlights and key stats on the company. For each company that we write a report on, we also provide a rating, which ranges from D+ at the lowest to A+ being the highest rating. Here we can see we've rated this company a B+. Near the top of all of our research reports, we provide a report card here, and here we outline the rating criteria for the company, how we reach that certain rating, and for the most part, these rating criteria remain the same report to report. However, at some times, these metrics may be swapped out for other more relevant metrics. The structure of the report remains largely the same. We provide first an overview of the company under the company profile section. We then look at different operating segments within the company and the revenue breakdown between these business lines under the revenue mix section. Next, we outline the company's growth plans and what its business strategy is to pursue growth. This can sometimes be in the form of organic or inorganic growth. The next section is then looking at its current valuation. We use a mix of valuation against its peers, against its own historicals, or other valuation models. We also dive into the company's most recent financial results to determine what its current fundamentals look like. In the key risks section, here we look at some of the company's most key risks and what factors could negatively impact the company. Lastly, here in the research report, we take a look at the summary of all of our research on the company and what our outlook is for the future. On the final page, we also provide a valuation model that we have developed in-house, which uses a maximum of 4 different models: the discounted cash flow, DCF, H model, relative valuation, and historical valuation. We use a combination of these 4 different models to come up with our target price. We also outline a graph of the company's price against its price to earnings multiple over the past several years, and also a chart of its relative strength index. And this will denote how strong the price momentum has been over the past few years. We also write what we call flash reports once a quarter on about 8 to 10 companies within our coverage list. Flash reports are a truncated version of our research reports, and we provide this on about 8 to 10 companies within our coverage list. Okay everyone, that's it for today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it useful, and head to the 5i Research website where members can ask questions regarding individual stocks or the market, find research reports on Canadian companies, receive bi-weekly newsletters on the market, view analytics on their own investment portfolios, and much more. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.